Miss Haig. Welcome back. We're learning all about deciduous trees, which means trees that lose their leaves in the seasons. Now, I'm going to show you my beautiful flowers. Aren't these wonderful? So for today, it would be really neat if you could get a bouquet of flowers and paint them at a center. That would be super fun. And then you can also cut out parts of a plant. So this is a little cut and paste. Roots, leaves, stem, and flowers, and putting them where they should be. And bringing in some plants or a bouquet of flowers for the learners to look at would be amazing. And then they could use their watercolors and they can paint that bouquet. The second thing is I've left a video on how to create a 4-season tree. A tree, what does it look like in the spring? What does it look like in the summer? What does it look like in the fall? And what does it look like in the winter? So follow the craft and follow the way you fold all the paper, and you can create 4-season deciduous trees. What a fun day today, literacy. Have a good time and have fun creating your trees and painting your vase full of flowers and cutting and pasting. Wow. All right, I'll talk to you soon and happy Earth Day. Bye.